If your lead generation efforts feel like they're going nowhere, or you're wondering why your activity isn't turning into closings, this might be why. There are 9 silent career killers that most real estate agents fall into without realizing it, especially when they're working hard but not seeing results. So, let's break them down and fix them. Hey there, I'm Ken Gould, real estate agent and performance coach. I help agents like you generate more listings and more income by dialing in your lead generation strategy, your mindset, and your systems. Today, we're covering 9 things that might be quietly killing your real estate career, and how to avoid each one, especially if you're actively working to generate new business every day. Let's jump in. Career killer number 1, false expectations. The biggest reason agents struggle with lead generation is because they underestimate the challenge and overestimate how quickly the results will come. Top agents know it can take 90 to 180 days to turn a first conversation into a closing. That's why they stay focused, patient, and committed to the process. They don't generate leads for quick wins. They generate consistently to build a predictable pipeline. Career killer number 2, abandoning your routine. Let's be honest. Routines might not feel exciting, but they're essential. A great lead generation day doesn't happen by accident. It starts with structure. Wake up. Fuel up. Review your scripts. Role-play a few tough objections. Then get into action. Routines eliminate guesswork and reduce decision fatigue. They help you stay focused on execution. Repeat that process daily for 45 days and watch your consistency transform your confidence. Career killer number 3, poor work environment. If you're trying to generate leads in a cluttered, noisy, or shared space, you're battling distractions before you even start. Create a focused zone. Just your scripts, your CRM, and your phone. Have your goals in sight. Clear your screen. Shut out the noise. When your environment signals focus, your results follow. Career killer number 4, no script practice. Scripts aren't crutches, they're confidence builders. They reduce fear, create consistency, and help you navigate tough conversations without hesitation. Practice them daily. Out loud. With a partner. On your drive. On a walk. Repetition builds rhythm. Rhythm builds confidence. And confidence converts. Career killer number 5, isolation from accountability. Working on lead generation alone, without connection or accountability, can quickly turn into burnout. You don't need a massive group, but you do need someone who's also doing the work. Text a colleague, set daily check-ins, share your wins and losses. Accountability fuels momentum. You go further faster with others beside you. Career killer number 6, no platform or tools. You don't need to do everything manually. If you're committed to consistent lead generation, use smart tools to streamline your lists, your outreach, and your follow-up. Your time is valuable, so spend it on conversations, not complications. Career killer number 7, invisible vision. If you don't know where you're going, how do you know you're on track? Create a visual reminder of what you're working toward. Could be a vision board, a whiteboard with your monthly goals, or even a simple note taped to your monitor. If you can see it, you'll stay connected to it. Career killer number 8, bad mindset. Everyone has off days, but the key is to catch yourself early and reframe. Start each morning with a quick reset, gratitude, affirmations, and a reminder of your why. Remember, your thoughts fuel your results. Choose them wisely. Career killer number 9, the wrong lead types. Just because a lead looks good on paper doesn't mean it's the right fit for you. Match your strengths to your source. If you're great with objections, connect with expired listings. If you're strong in person, try open houses or door knocking. If you need more volume, look at FSBOs or rental owners. Stick with a lead type for at least 90 days or more before deciding if it works. Mastery takes time. So how many of these career killers are slowing you down? Correct just one, and the next 90 days could look completely different. I created a quick checklist that recaps these 9 traps and how to avoid them. Reply with the word trap and your email address, and I'll send it to you directly. And if you're ready to sharpen your lead generation, simplify your systems, and grow your results faster, subscribe to the channel. New videos drop every week, and they're designed to help agents like you win more often and more predictably. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.